Hi guys, I am back with a new video. So yeah, I am back with a new video. Apparently I'm going to touch my hair 50 times already. Yeah, I am back and I'm trying out loads of different things. I don't really know what you guys want to see. No one's really telling me much, so I'm just sort of chucking it all out there. I'm going to be like, yeah, have a bit of this, have a bit of that. So yeah, I get a lot of questions about my hair. Really just this one sort of style that I tend to do all the time, and everyone's like, oh my god, how do you do your hair like that? I can't do my hair like that, wish I could. And honestly, it's so easy, like it's so easy. So basically I'm going to show you how to do a bouncy blow dry. To do this hairstyle, you do not need a lot of products. Velcro rollers, I got these were picked up for me. I think they were like 99p on sale from Superdrug or something crazy like that. So yeah, you can literally pick these up anywhere. Poundland do some, Primark do some, super cheap places. You don't have to spend loads of money, and once you've got them, you've kind of got them. These are really good because they're like got the big and then they go smaller, which I really like. Hair grips, which I mainly use hair grips because I never actually have the other ones I'm going to show you, which are these little things. So it's like a crocodile clip kind of thing. Really sturdy. I think these are from Poundland. Hairbrush and then some hairspray to hold it. I will blast it with the hairdryer. Adding a bit of heat will sort of mold the curls and keep them in. So if you do have quite straight hair, I would advise doing this, or doing it from like wet. So if your hair's wet, put it in the rollers and then let them dry overnight or over the day, and then they'll sort of dry in that form. Let's start by brushing my hair. To start, I'm just gonna, if you sort of measure the thing, you kind of know how much to put in. Corner off this top bit, kind of look like that. Making sure it's all on there. And then I'm just gonna hold it in. Like so. These metal ones, and I'm just going to pin it in like that. I'm just going to do both sides because they do tend to come out. Okay, so then if you just look, I'm just going to go from literally the same level and then get this bit of hair, or trickier, but roll, 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 like so. And then yeah, pin. I'm just going to start doing this eye over my face. So I'm going to take these medium ones, and now for these I just roll them up into my hair like this. And then the same again this side. So, and then for this one, I'm just going to roll it with my fingers, and then create a pin curl this way. So I'm literally just getting the piece of hair and rolling it up. Pin that in like that. So you can kind of see it's like a little curl and it's pinned in. So I will then do that this side. Okay, so now that the front is basically done, for the back I'm going to basically just add in one more roller, and then all the rest is going to be pin curled. So I'm just going to take the other medium-sized roller for the back. So now that I've sort of done the main sort of ones, with the rest I will literally just pin curl them using hair grips, and for that I will just speed up. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a hairspray. I am going to blitz it with the hairdryer quickly. Blow around everywhere. So I just hold it on them. Hold it. More like underneath. So they can get the curl. But yeah. So when I have finished blow drying that, I will just take some hairspray and I will just spray it. This is just to hold. You don't want to put too much on. And I will leave this in for like as long as I can, really. For a bit. It hasn't been as long as I wanted it to be. Darker outside, so I need to kind of like film the rest of the video now because I'm using natural lighting. So I am just gonna show you how it would look. It might not be as curly or as held. Obviously I haven't had it in for as long, but you kind of get the gist of what I would do. I don't really worry too much about what they look like yet. I just sort of wait and then I will So I'm now just gonna ruffle it up. Run my fingers through it. I'm just gonna... So yeah, it's not as curly as what I would like it, but it's definitely got the style. As you can see, it's very volumized. So yeah, that is my sort of really simple, super easy, bouncy blow dry look. If you did enjoy this video, guys, and you want to see more, just give me a comment down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.